How to accept a Skype invitation. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily accept Skype invitation. But before getting started, make sure to like the video below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up the link that has been sent to you. So I have my link on Telegram. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the link and tap on this. You can just go ahead and tap on the Skype link and you will be redirected. And once you are redirected on your Skype, you have to make sure that your Skype is up to date and you have your account logged in to your Skype. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on. And as you can see here, you have now successfully joined the Skype. So you can go ahead and interact with it. Here. You can just go ahead and open chat, type something on the chat, and get all of the benefits of this meeting. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.